Hey, good morning. I got the FlowMaster FlowFX muffler installed. It's a catback system. I think the part number is 717944, and I just wanted to give you a little ride around the neighborhood here and show you how loud it is or whatever. So I think it sounds pretty cool, but at the same time it's a little bit too loud. So here, going downhill, pretty quiet, doesn't sound like much. We'll do a U-turn at the bottom and come back under load, maybe ride on it a little bit and get an idea of what it sounds like. It's it's got a low it sounds V8 like in the low revs, which translates into a droning when you're at freeway speeds. We just did a few hundred miles this weekend in the car, and with the cruise set, it was a little bit, a little drony. So I think I might add a little supplementary exhaust tip with a little muffling to it and see how that sounds. It definitely sounds like something rather than nothing now. Here you go. There's little pops and stuff once in a while. Gurgles on the downshift. Sounds all right. Just do a U-turn through here. You can see how awesome the turning steering lock is on this thing. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3.5 liter engine. They make a kit with a shorter exhaust tip that dumps before the rear axle that's supposed to have aggressive interior sound. This one has moderate interior sound levels. So it's all right around town, but the freeway got a little drony, especially with how happy the transmission is to shift. It would downshift and just be like at 3,000 RPM, just droning real bad. It highlights the fact that the tranny's not that awesome. There's 3,000 RPMs. It's a little deafening. Anyway, hope that gave you a sense of the noise level in here. Occasionally you're coasting downhill or whatever, it completely goes away when the fuel injector's shut off or whatever. We're coming to a stop. That noise there's loud enough over the sound of the wind that you can hear exhaust at just cruising 2,000 RPMs on the freeway, and there'll be a little more load on it, so it's just a little bit louder. Anyway, that's the FlowMaster FlowFX catback system, and if you like it, get one. If you want your truck to sound like something instead of nothing, it's a pretty good option. I like FlowMaster, but it's not a traditional FlowMaster. It's more of a straight-through muffler. So anyway, talk to you later.